different story. A portion of the black directly down, tearing into his upper thighs and shredding his pants.
Aircon sometimes, like if we are traveling like noon time and then
great. I cannot go.
I know.
No, the bus, school bus. Oh no, what are you doing, you idiot? No. Oh no. I don't know what you guys are doing at this point.
Wait, the school bus is over.
Yeah, the school bus is over there. You don't see it on your left hand. And
oh, there is two school bus. That's why. So the other one will go inside again.
Yeah. This bus is
Or
trying to back
we
up.
just.
Yeah, see now there's incoming traffic coming in. Like seriously, you cannot pay attention in the road. No, I cannot back up.
Oh yeah, no more. No more. Haha. No more, man. That's a school bus. They will.
Yeah. No pay attention on the road. That's an amazing thing.
Yep.
Cameras makes you more loud than.
Buenos días por la mañana. La mandamos para México para que hagan la mezcla final.
Or something first? Answer me!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We got that on DASHCAM.
Wham! Bam! Teslacam.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Andrew! Dang it. Ah! Fucking ass. Sorry.
He was alive and had a mission to complete. Alone, in a foreign land.
Dude,
he moved
stop.
off
What are you
into the
doing?
night.
The bus going
I
through
am
a red light.
never out of the fight.
Huh. Oh.